Are you looking for the best desktop under $1,000? In this video we will look at some of the best desktop under $1,000. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. The last place on our list is reserved for HP Pavilion's gaming desktop. Pavilion is HP's premium line of high-end computing systems that are most suitable for gaming and office use. This is another affordable offering from HP to meet your gaming needs. The desktop is powered by 10th Gen Intel Core i3 processor that delivers a powerful performance and immersive picture quality with 4K visuals. The 4GB GDDR6 along with the NVIDIA Turing architecture ensures that you experience fluid gameplay without any lags even when you play the game at high settings. On top of this, the 8GB DDR4 RAM provides a powerful boost to performance. It comes with a decent storage capacity of 256GB and is pre-installed with Windows 10 Home operating system. One of the best features of this desktop is its tower-shaped design. It occupies less floor space and hence can be placed in compact areas. Besides, you can also upgrade and customize LED lights and system performance using the Omen Command Center. The desktop features 4 USB 2.0 ports along with a microphone/headphone jack. Plus, it has Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2 for wireless connectivity. With these connections, the desktop is perfect for dual display support. The desktop is accompanied with a keyboard and a USB wired mouse. It is backed by a 1-year limited warranty on its parts from the original date of purchase. Intel Core i3 processor. 8GB DDR4 RAM. 4GB GDDR6 NVIDIA card. 256GB SSD. 4 USB ports. 1-year warranty. Number 4. HP Envy Desktop Computer. We have another desktop from HP in our list. But, unlike the previous model, this one is tailor-made for office and professional use. It has a high RAM memory and a large storage space. This is a high-end desktop model equipped with several advanced features. For starters, it has the latest 10th generation Intel Core i7 8-core processor that offers you a base frequency of 2.90 GHz. When you switch to Intel Turbo Boost technology, you get up to 4.8 GHz. It is equipped with two 8GB DDR4 for super-fast processing speed. You can also expand the RAM up to 32 GB. With this desktop, you get an extra large storage space including 1TB hard drive and 512GB solid-state drive. It is pre-installed with Windows 10 Pro operating system that is most suitable for business purposes. For connectivity, the desktop features 4 USB Type-A ports, 1 USB Type-C ports, and 4 USB 2.0 Type-A ports. Besides, it also has an HDMI port, VGA slot, and a 3.5mm microphone/headphone combo. The desktop uses Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2 for wireless connections. It lowers the power consumption by using a 180-watt gold efficiency power supply. The package includes a black USB wired keyboard and a mouse. The desktop is backed by a 1-year limited warranty from the original date of purchase. Intel Core i7-10700 processor. 16GB DDR4 RAM. 1TB hard drive and 512GB SSD. 9 USB ports and an HDMI port. 1-year warranty. Number 3. HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop Computer. HP is a global leader in the development of premium quality computers and computer components. The brand is a one-stop platform for purchasing all components and accessories for your computer. HP Pavilion Desktop is specifically designed for gaming purposes with a 6-core AMD Ryzen 5 processor. The processor has a base clock speed of up to 4.1 GHz for a super-fast gaming experience. Besides, the 4GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 along with the 8GB RAM allows you to play high graphics games without any lags. It has a 256GB solid-state drive for storing media and games. It is pre-installed with the Windows 10 Home operating system. The gaming desktop supports numerous connectivity options including 9 USB ports, a HDMI port, microphone/headphone jack, DVI-D port, and a DisplayPort. Furthermore, there is an audio port that supports 5.1 surround system. There is also the standard Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2 wireless connectivity options. The desktop comes with a USB wired keyboard and a mouse. AMD Ryzen 5 3500 processor. 8GB DDR4 RAM. 4GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. 256GB SSD. 9 USB ports and an HDMI port. 5.1 surround system. Number 2. Dell Inspiron Desktop Computer. Dell is another popular brand that develops versatile computer systems and accessories fit for professional and personal use. The brand's products are known for their reliability along with an affordable price tag. This is a heavy-duty desktop powered by 10th Gen Intel Core i5 processor and 12GB DDR4 RAM. Besides, with the Intel UHD Graphics 630 shared graphics, you can run multiple apps with high-quality visuals simultaneously without any delay in response. It is equipped with a 512GB solid-state drive to meet all your storage needs. It comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Pro operating system. The desktop has a compact size of just 14.8 L, that is 14% smaller than the previous models. This allows you to place the desktop in small spaces. It features 4 USB 2.0 ports and 4 USB 3.0 ports for versatile connectivity. Plus, the built-in Wi-Fi feature supports dual bandwidth, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for excellent signal reception. Along with the desktop, you get a KB216 keyboard and a wired mouse. The desktop is backed by a 2-year on-site service warranty from the original date of purchase. Intel Core i5-10400 processor. 12GB DDR4 RAM. 512GB SSD. 8 USB ports. 2-year warranty. Number 1. CyberpowerPC Gaming PC. CyberpowerPC has become the to-go brand for top gamers everywhere around the world, from pro esports to pro streamers. The brand designs its products carefully to meet the demands of gamers. CyberpowerPC Gaming PC is powered by an Intel Core i5 processor with a B460 chipset. Besides, it has 8GB DDR4 RAM that provides a super-fast performance. The desktop is optimized for gaming and you will not experience any lags even when you play games at ultra-high game settings with high resolutions. On top of this, it has an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 6GB video card to further enhance the performance. When it comes to connectivity, you get 6 USB 3.1 slots, 2 USB 2.0 slots, and an Ethernet slot. There is also 802.11 AC Wi-Fi for wireless connectivity. The desktop features 7.1 audio quality. The side case of the panel has tempered glass with 7-colored RGB lighting for making the environment more lively. The desktop is compatible with VR gaming. It supports HTC Vive and the Oculus Rift VR for next-gen gaming experience. The desktop includes a standard keyboard and a gaming mouse. It is backed by a 1-year warranty on the parts and free lifetime tech support. Intel Core i5-10400F6 core processor. 8GB DDR4 RAM. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1666GB video card. 500GB SSD. 8 USB slots. 7 colored RGB lighting. 1-year warranty.